Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make beads using a straw out of different types of threads. I have a yarn that I've recycled from an old sweater. I have just normal thread, strong thread. Then I have this type of thread that we are going to use. So what you're going to need is some glue, so there is my glue, there is my straw. So I'm going to open the thread. So I'm going to put a little glue here. You're just going to use normal office glue. So you'll just go roll, roll, roll. Make sure that you're rolling on top of the glue. You see the thread has different colors and it becomes quite pretty as you keep going and you keep applying the glue. See how it's changing color? See? So I'll apply the glue, just like that. That's one. Then I'm going to cut. Then I'll move to the next one again. I'll apply a little glue on the straw. Then I'll hold. Then I'll start again. I'll rotate. See how it's changing the color? That's what you like with your beads. You can make it bigger, it just depends on the size you want. Like that. Okay. Now here is the yarn, the recycled yarn. So I'm going to take again, just the same method. Just like that. If you want it longer, you go longer. If you want it shorter, you go shorter. This one I'm going to make it a bit longer. So keep applying the glue. So you can use new thread or recycled thread. Then the last one, there are other types of threads you can use, but I decided to use this. So I'll take the two together. The two. Look, this is the black. This is just the normal sewing thread. This is the black and this is the red. I'll also go just thread. I'll go like this. And I keep applying the glue. This one takes a bit longer because it's thin thread, but make sure that you take very good strong thread that will hold the glue. See? So we'll go and go and go and go and go. After which you will cut and take the glue, seal the hole seal the whole bead. Let's call it a bead for now. Seal the whole bead for now and let it dry. I can also use my yarn, my yarn for my thread for making my jewelry. Just if you want it bigger, go bigger. If you want it small, if you just want it to be a thin one, go straight. So yes, I keep applying the glue to make sure that it has enough glue. Make sure that you put enough glue. If you want, you can use stronger glue. If you want to, you can just use this normal glue. Okay. Now this will take a little longer to dry. So what you do, you put it aside to dry. So you put it aside to dry. After it dries, this is what you're going to get. After it dries, this is what you're going to get. After it dries, that could take like 2 to 3 hours. This is what you're going to get. You're going to take nail polish. You can use the color you want, maybe colorless or whatever color you want, and then you're going to go over it. Many coats. You can also use varnish, floor varnish, and then you can also add a little more. You can also add a little more glue after it dries. You can add. So after it dries, you add a little more glue. You can even use wood glue, which is now stronger than office glue. Then after it dries again, now you put the nail polish, as I've just shown you. So now after everything is done and you have applied everything, you let it dry and make sure that it dries properly. And this is what you're going to get. You just push them out from the straw. See? See? Are you seeing? Just push them from the straw. This one I made a bit earlier. Don't push them out immediately. They have to dry first, and you have to go to cut them over and over, like 3-4 times. Then I'll cut off the top part. See? They are so hard. Even if you press, they can't give in. If you was giving, then you didn't do it right. So here they are. So as you can see, these are some of the ones that I have made. Here are the ones I made before. Like these ones are from the red and black thread. This red and black. So these are the ones they make. As long as you make bigger, or let me call them larger, with so many rounds, and you put enough glue to hold them, enough wood glue to hold them, they are going to be very, very strong. Look, they are not giving in. You can see me pressing, but still you can see the hole through. So this is how you make your thread beads. Thank you. Bye. Bye. And if you plan to make your beads from various items in your home, and also subscribe.